Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok yearbook trend on a CapCut app. So let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this you can click on the template at the bottom. And now in here you at the menu, at the search box, you can click a yearbook trend, this one, and then in here you can see many yearbook trend on CapCut. You can choose the yearbook template that you want, but in here I have this one, so you just click on it. And now in here you can click on the use template at the bottom. Click on it, and in here you can click on the photo, and in here I wanna add the photo, this one and this one, so you just click on it and click on it. And in here you can click on the next or the preview at the bottom. And now in here you can change the text, this one. You can click on the edit text at the bottom, this one, you can click on it. And in here you can click on this one for change this tag, maybe our Indonesian Nikki at Indonesian. Okay, and then click done. And now you can click on the second text, and then in here you can change our Nikki at Coachella. Okay, and then click done again. Now you can play like this, and after this you can export this photo. You can export with CapCut apps, or you can export without TikTok. You can export with TikTok without watermark, but in here I wanna try to export without watermark with a TikTok app, so you just click on it and please waiting. And after this you can go to switch to TikTok. And so that's how to make a TikTok yearbook trend, a tutorial on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.